Average videos go viral, quality ones sit at 0. Not because the work is bad, but because the basics are off. Positioning, thumbnail, title, and pacing. Most creators miss these on day 1. Dial them in, and your invisible videos start showing up everywhere. Most creators think the algorithm is against them, but here's what's really happening. They're making 3 critical mistakes that guarantee failure, and I'm about to reveal exactly what they are. The first killer mistake is chasing viral content instead of building an audience. I see this everywhere. Creators jump from trending topic to trending topic, desperately hoping something will stick. But here's the problem. Viral videos without a focused niche create confused subscribers who never come back. You get a spike, then nothing. The algorithm sees this pattern and stops promoting your content because viewer retention tanks. Successful channels do the opposite. They pick one specific audience and serve them obsessively. Take Mr. Beast. He didn't start with expensive stunts. He made videos about the YouTube algorithm for months, building a core audience who genuinely cared about his content. Only then did he expand. The second mistake is perfectionism paralysis. I cannot tell you how many creators I know who spend months planning their first video, buying expensive equipment, and waiting for the perfect moment to launch. Meanwhile, channels starting today with phone cameras are getting thousands of subscribers. The harsh reality is, your first 100 videos will probably be terrible, and that's exactly the point. Each video teaches you something crucial about your audience, your style, and what works. The channels growing right now aren't the ones with perfect lighting or scripting. They're the ones posting consistently and improving with every upload. But the biggest mistake, the one that kills more channels than anything else, is ignoring the human element. Too many creators treat YouTube like a content dumping ground instead of a community platform. They upload videos and disappear, never responding to comments or engaging with viewers. Think about it this way. Would you rather watch someone who feels like a distant celebrity or someone who actually talks back to you? The creators exploding right now are the ones building genuine relationships. They respond to every comment in their first few months. They ask questions that spark discussions. They make viewers feel seen and heard. Here's what successful channels do differently. They show up consistently, serve one specific audience, and treat every viewer like a friend. They understand that YouTube isn't just about making videos, it's about building trust and community over time. The algorithm doesn't hate small channels. It's actually designed to promote content that genuinely engages people. But if you're making content for everyone, optimizing for nobody, and hiding behind perfectionism, you're fighting an unwinnable battle. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Pick your niche today. Start that conversation with your audience. Because while 99% of channels are making these mistakes, you now know exactly how to be in that successful 1%. The only question left is, will you actually do it?